So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I paint my grenades slash modify my grenades. I'm going to be using JP Weld to pretty much fill up the hole in the bottom alongside with putting this like casting line in the middle of the M67 grenade. M67 grenades we use late war, you know, so I mean it's going to be used for my late war impression, of course. But yeah guys, the first step is pretty much just putting JP Weld on everything. I drew a line in the middle of the grenade just to make things a little bit more easier. I didn't really use like a ruler or anything like that, so I honestly just kind of half-assed it. But yeah guys, this is just kind of the first step. So here's a JP Weld on the grenade. As you can see, I replicated that casting line alongside with filling up that hole in the bottom. I'm going to be using low grit sandpaper, so like 240 or something like that, to pretty much smooth things out, make it look a little bit more nicer. But yeah, this is the second step, and the next thing is going to be just painting it. So here's the pen I'm going to be using. I'm just using basic olive draft, you know, that I bought from Home Depot. This stuff is like a matte color, you know, it's not very like original looking, so I'm going to be using some satin clear that makes it look a little bit more darker, a little bit more of that old color that you kind of see in Vietnam and whatnot. Yeah, you know, here's just me painting it with the green paint. I probably did around like 2-3 layers, you know. The more layers you add, the better it's gonna like adhere to the grenade. So, you know, this is just the after effect. You can see the welding line, you can see the bottom. It looks pretty decent. Nothing too great, but I mean, it's pretty passable in all honesty. Yeah, you know, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is just spraying it with the satin clear. It's not really a big necessary step. I mean, you guys can skip this, but it just makes the grenade look way better, more darker, more of that, you know, like Vietnam OD green. But here's just pretty much the finished project. Now some of them actually had yellow writing, but I think that's kind of for like an early model kind of thing. You do see it on lemon grenades and whatnot, but it's completely your choice on whether you want to do that. But yeah guys, this is just the grenade, and yeah, I'll see you guys around.